how to install RPC onboard card. So just tap get and then double click to install. You will be able to install the app. With RPC on board, the employer can assign the employee their new Rapid Pay card and obtain authorization consent for direct deposit, whether it is to Rapid Pay card or the employee's bank account, all in secure and easy manner. So the RPC on board application will facilitate registration of a new Rapid Pay card to a card holder, as well as it provided a list of in-network ATMs and other educational materials. So yeah, this is the app. It's called RPC. It means like Rapid Pay card, and that's how you can log in from here. I guess that's the older app. Now there is Rapid Pay. This is like a new app where it's much more easier to add or activate your pay card from here. This is new and updated app, and it's much smoother and easier to use. So yeah, that's basically the idea.